Hi, I'm Phil Provins, owner of Top Floor in San Diego, California, and I'm going to discuss some floor leveling compounds with you. When your subfloor has a low spot, you're going to have to fill it in and make the entire floor flat. There's many different products you can use when it comes to leveling compounds. If the area is thin enough or a slight enough drop, you can use Plaster. But the thing you want to be careful about is it needs to have some resiliency. It needs to have a little bit of move but still be strong. You can use cement. A Portland-based cement is recommended. You could also use thin layers of plywood, vinyl, anything that's going to be strong enough to support the weight of the floor and allows you to create a flat plane. Once again, I'm Phil Provins with Top Floor of San Diego, California, and I just discussed some floor leveling materials with you.